Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from somewhere on planet Earth, guys. And we're going to be talking about what a poo-poo schmata show that we've been seeing for crypto. What's going on with the Donald Trump and tariff wars, and it looks like China's retaliating like crazy out there. So we're going to be talking about that and much freaking more out there. And guys and gals, it's been crazy. I haven't been making videos for a couple days, so it's kind of crazy right now. And we're going to see what the freak is happening with crypto. I know a lot of you are kind of like Debbie Downing right now and not feeling so good about crypto, but I'm here to tell you that I'm not concerned. People have been calling me and saying, "Oh, what should we do? Should we like sell crypto? Should we get out of the market?" This is just a transient issue, and it's all related to tariff wars. I tell you that right now. It's tariff wars. It's retaliation by other countries for the tariffs that Donald Trump is imposing on them. And this is just a negotiation tactic by Donald Trump. And I believe at the end of the day, things are going to get back to normal. Right now, it is the 8th of April right now, and things are not looking good. And I don't believe that we're going to pull ourselves out of this, and I don't think we're going to head into normalcy and probably till May. I think May will be much better. I think the dust will settle, guys. So remember, now this is financial advice, just the OG in the house expressing my opinion. Apologies to the community. I haven't made a video in 4 freaking days out there. I've been busy doing this, doing that, and there's really not too much to talk about other than crypto sucks right now out there. So guys, don't get a smash like, show some love with a heart mark, and I appreciate love the community out there. So let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on out there. So overall, we're seeing that the U.S. markets are not doing good. As I said, Trump tariff shocks U.S. trade partners, sending Asian markets lower. So the Asian markets are lower. Things are not looking good. You can see, if you take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is up now 2%. Good. We're seeing a little bit of a bounce back in positive territory, but I don't think this is going to be sustainable. I think we're just going to keep going sideways for a while. XRP is getting hammered. Fear and greed for Bitcoin right now is at 24. Not looking good. Not looking good at all. We're seeing right now that the total market cap. Let me give this a minty refresh out there. Minty refresh. Total market cap right now is at 2.54 trillion. That's up 1.71%, but that's way behind where we were in terms of gains that we had only like 2 or 3 weeks ago. We're seeing a total fear and greed for all crypto. Sum total of all crypto is about 19% right now. So we're seeing that overall, we're seeing that Bitcoin's up, but 7 days we're down almost 3%. Ethereum is down 13% in 7 days. We're seeing the last 24 hours, 0.72 out there. We're seeing XRP is up 1.5% in the last hour, but it's still down in the last 24 hours, and it's hammered. We're getting hammer time, guys. Hammer time out there. We're going to dive into more of XRP stuff. Some good news for XRP. We're going to be talking about that. There's a lot of good crypto news happening, but the overall tariff, the global economy and the trading partners, all the stuff that's going on, it's just bringing everything down. And we're seeing that retail has just kind of like left the freaking farm. So that's what happened. Basically, retail's left the farm and they're gone cuckoo. But we're still seeing whales accumulating. Doge is also up right now, 2.5%, and in the last hour. So things are trying to come back, trying to come back. We're seeing right now that Bitcoin, that XRP is at 191. If you take a look at the last month, though, we're seeing that XRP is down 18%. If you take a look at the last year, we're still up 222%. So if you were able to buy in XRP here, you would be doing pretty good out there. So that's what's going on. Also, too, we're seeing that in the last 7 days, Dogecoin is down almost 10%. In the last month, it's down 21%, guys. But year to date, we're down 23%. Ooh. So Doge is not doing too good, guys. The puppy is sick, guys. The puppy is very sick. So that is what is freaking going on out there. If you take a look at the Bitcoin returns right now, we're seeing that Q1 was down 11% for Bitcoin. Q2 right now is down 4%. So far, we're not having a very good year for Bitcoin. You can see that basically it's not good, guys. It's not good. I can't sugarcoat shit, right? I try to do it. You just can't do that. We're seeing that right now, almost $1 billion worth of leverage has been liquidated. I tried a little bit of leverage about a month ago, and I got whackety whack. I got whacked. I lost like a ton, and I said, I ain't doing that again. I ain't doing that again. Not doing that again. So what's going on news wise? News wise, we got Justin China says it will fight to the end after President Trump's threatened additional 50% tariffs. That's kind of weird. That's kind of interesting. And then Donald Trump said, look, we're going to put more tariffs on you. Just as 70 countries have reached out to President Trump to negotiate new trade deals. That's interesting. Justin China says it will not bow to President Trump's tariffs. What? President Trump says other countries are now offering things, things that would never been thought of or asking for in the future. So other stuff that's coming in, Justin, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink, we're probably in a recession right now. Ugh, that's not good. But we're seeing gold going nuts right now. Breaking, President Trump threatens an additional 50% tariffs on China. Wow. Let's see what else we got. Justin, 200 million liquidated from cryptocurrency market in the last 60 minutes. Bitcoin is back up above 80. That is pretty good out there. 2.1 trillion wiped out from the stock market. So you can see overall, it's not doing well out there. What else is coming in? You can see total stock markets are down like crazy, crashing everywhere. We're seeing 1.3 billion has been liquidated from cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours. A lot of wreckage out there. President Trump says oil prices down, interest rates are down. There's no inflation. Guys, comment. You guys think we're having inflation or not? Let me know. I love to hear. Good news though. New York Stock Exchange green lights 2 XRP ETFs. That is pretty good out there. So this could help. This could definitely help crypto. I would appreciate it. And there was rumors that there may be a tariff pause, and we did see that the stock market did pump, guys. So that is kind of good news. So U.S. Bitcoin right now, you can see Bitcoin did yesterday go as high as 86,000. We have come back down from that, but we had a nice pump. But this wrecked a lot of shorts because people had shorted the market after the tariffs. You can see here. Then there was a hunter wick, a scalping wick to the upside, and that wiped out all of the leverage traders. So that's what that's all about. What else is going on? Bitcoin. Let's take a look at XRP chart right here. XRP chart right now, we are seeing that XRP also not doing very good. You can see it's just going down. If you take a look at the Doge right now, Doge also just going down. I think the only options right now is to stay in the market. Don't panic. A lot of good opportunities right now to buy the freaking dips. That is what's going on. What else is coming in? Let's see here that tomorrow looks like we're going to have a Tertium Investment Advisors LLC is launching 2 XRP ETFs. That is the very first XRP ETF on the market, so that is pretty good. We won't see much of a pump for a while until that happens. I believe that we've got a nice golden cross for Dogecoin. Hopefully we get some pumpage action happening from that. So that's kind of like all I got, guys. So all I got to say is keep calm, keep peaceful, be blessed. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.